Man, right now I'm chilling, roof back. It's a nice day in Milwaukee, man. Right now I'm in Menominee Falls. It's like 60 degrees, bro. If you have a 9 to 5 and you have a checkings and savings account and you have a smartphone, you have a smart device, this is what you should do. I need you to save $1,000, invest into 3 secure credit cards: Capital One, Bank of America, and Discover It. That $1,000, I want you to divide it into 3 evenly. $300 in each secure card. The leftover $100, leave it in the checkings and savings. I want you to link that account, that savings account, to all 3 of the secure cards that you created. And I want you to set those accounts up on auto pay. So now the money that you have coming in will automatically establish auto payments every month. Impossibility to miss payments. You use only one of those secured cards as a daily driver.